we can test whether user answer is the same as the mystery number or not. If it is, we print, you got it. If it isn't, we print, sorry. This is fine if there are only you got it and sorry, yes and no, true and false. Nothing in between. But what if there is something in between? And we want to print something based on the condition. This is where elif comes in, using the code from the last video. So, after the you got it, let's type elif, colon, colon, user answer equals str, mystery number minus 1. This is similar to the condition above, except that we are using elif instead of if. Also here, we are looking for the situation where user answer is 1 less than the mystery number. So let's print almost there. The mystery number was mystery number. Your guess was user answer. So let's copy it, Control C. At the end of this, enter, backspace, paste by doing Control V, and replace this with a plus. Let's run elif. I'm thinking of a whole number from 1 to 3. Guess my number and you shall be rewarded. So I'm gonna think of 2. Almost there. The mystery number was 3. Your guess was 2. 2 was 1. Your guess was 2. There can be as many elifs as we want. Here, we're looking for a situation where user adds 1 more than the mystery number. So, we use elif only after we have used if. There can be as many elifs as we want.